Your biggest strength in business is your biggest weakness in love. Here's why. The more a man achieves, the harder it gets to find real love. Not because he's unlovable, but because of how he achieved success. High-value men are trained to be independent, self-sufficient. They solve their own problems. They don't need anyone. But here's what happens. They forget how to be vulnerable, how to actually need someone. Women don't want a man who has it all figured out. They want a man who can let her in, who can be real with her. But high-value men, they've built walls, and those walls that protected them in business, they destroy intimacy. So this guy, he's successful, he's attractive, he can have dates whenever he wants, but he can't let his guard down. He can't show weakness. He can't say, "I need you." And that's why real love keeps slipping away. The shift? Redefine what strength actually is. Real strength isn't being independent. It's being secure enough to depend on someone. It's letting someone in without losing yourself. That's when high-value men finally find women who match their energy, women who respect that kind of strength. So here's my question for you. Can you let someone in, or are your walls too high? Comment below, and if this resonated, share this with a man who needs to hear it.